Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Christmas video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cup of hot cocoa. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas cocoa, let's begin right here and we're going to make the top. So I'm going to start by making a little curve and I'm going to bring this across and I'm going to bring it in just a little bit like that. Next, I'm going to do that same thing. Just going to kind of make this line curve around. And I'm going to bring this up to here. Next, I'm going to draw this line down. I'm going to curve it. And then I'm going to bring this back up. Then I'm going to go down. I'm going to make another curve and come up again for like the bottom of our cup. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over and then down. And then I'll go up, over, and down again for some marshmallows. Let's make a little curve here and a curve here. Now, let's make a little line that goes right between our marshmallows. And then I'm going to curve this line up and in like this. I'm going to curve it up a little bit higher and in. I'm going to curve it up and in like this. And then another one like this, and I'm going to bring it down. And we'll make that be like some whipped cream on top. Next, over here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up. And then we're going to bring this down for a candy cane. I'm going to curve this over and then bring it up and down again. Then let's put some little curved angle lines on here, just like this. Now for the handle, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and in. And then let's make another one that goes out, down, and then in like this. Next, let's add a fun little face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to color in a little pupil inside each one. Then for the mouth, let's make a line across. We're going to go down and up, and then a little tongue like that. Now, on here, let's go ahead and make like a little Christmas tree. So I'm just going to begin by making a little pointed line like this. I'm going to come in a little bit on each side. We're going to go out and in, and then one more time, out, and we're going to come across and bring it in like this. And then we'll make a little square underneath it. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute little Christmas cocoa. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.